Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic French toast. First, gather your essential ingredients: good quality bread, a few eggs, some milk, and fresh garlic. Opt for a thick-cut bread like brioche or challah, as it holds up wonderfully to the batter and provides a satisfying texture. Next, prepare your garlic infusion by mincing several cloves and gently melting them into a few tablespoons of butter. This aromatic base is key to our savory toast. Now let's create the savory batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. This forms our foundational custard. In a separate small pan, gently melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 cloves of finely minced garlic over low heat until fragrant, about 1 minute. Carefully pour this warm, aromatic garlic butter into your egg mixture, whisking until everything is well combined and smooth. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or large skillet over medium heat and add a pat of butter. Take each slice of thick bread and quickly dip it into the garlic egg mixture, ensuring both sides are coated but not overly saturated. Place the soaked bread onto the hot griddle. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until each piece is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious garlic French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, chives, or even some grated Parmesan cheese for an extra savory kick. A light dusting of black pepper or a drizzle of olive oil can also enhance the flavors. This makes a fantastic breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. And speaking of reading, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.